Alright, it's getting kind of dark out here, but I want to do a quick review on this bike shop chain repair kit, 12 piece that I bought at Walmart. Went to use it right now. The whole thing broke, man. I mean, I had hell getting it out. I was just trying to push one little pin out, didn't work. Let's see what we got here. It says 9 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got 5 wipies. 6. I guess 7, 8, and 9, I guess, with those pieces. But do I recommend y'all buy this? No, look, the other piece is broken off. Where it went, I don't know. I want you to see what I'm doing, so that's why I move the camera. So when I screw this in, that pin's gonna pop that out. Okay, it popped it right there. I'll just keep spinning it. It should push it all the way out. Yep, the pin just flew out. That means the chain's broken already. Shouldn't be that hard to do, but oh, that tool went in there crooked. What the hell? Cheap ass tool, man. Come on, man. Hope I can put it back in there. Anyway, I had to get. I don't know what happened there. It's not working. The whole thing went to hell. So much for trying to show you how to do that. Good old Walmart tools. Yeah, it's definitely going back. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to get the. It like barely fits in there too, man. So it's like, get in there. You don't? Well, you don't. There it is. Yep, going back to Walmart, man. That's getting returned. It's busted up, broken. I'll put your little clip on the. When I was doing the bike, I just jammed up, and yeah, I wouldn't buy this, y'all. Maybe if you're doing like a plastic chain kit or something, but plastic chain, but for that metal chain, the other chain I bought at Walmart too. And they didn't even push them things out, it just messed it all up. So I wouldn't recommend buying. This is junk, man. It's stripped so easy. As soon as it started getting pressure, I guess it's stripped, I didn't notice, then they wouldn't move at all. And I was like, what's going on? Well, it's stripped. It's shot. I do not recommend you buy this. But I'm not a professional advisor, so it's just up to y'all to make your mind. But I do not recommend you buy this. I'm serious, man. That little bitty thing, man. I should have went with that $20 one they had there. Try to save money. Look what happened. All right. Thanks for watching my videos. And